Hello! In this video, I will give a brief introduction to Evernote and how to use it. Additionally, I will show you how I use this tool to take notes and plan for future projects. So let's get started. Evernote is an online tool that has so many uses. You can copy and paste links, articles, pictures, and more. It also syncs up automatically, which is really nice when you're browsing the web or just taking notes on Google Docs or something. But Evernote is really good for taking these notes and also brainstorming ideas. So I'm just going to show you the two notebooks I created, which are basically folders. So the first one is about the course theme, which mine is a jungle. So here I have an article copied and pasted from the internet right here. And then I have a little screenshot of some valuable information that I thought would be good for the future, and then I highlighted it and put it back on here. And then here's another note in this notebook. So I have some ideas about how I brainstormed incorporating the jungle into the classroom. So right there's some pictures of some froggies with subtraction. And then I also have clips, and I put this video of a leaf to inspire me later on. And then here's a look at my other notebook. This one I'm still working on because I'm still brainstorming ideas for the IM project. So here I copied and pasted this from a document that was on the Passport site. So I can go through and fill that out, which is really nice. And then I have it all lined out what I want to eventually type in the future. And then here is more highlighting from text I copied and pasted from a Word document. So this is a really handy tool whether you're taking notes or planning for a future project or you want to save some articles from the internet. It's awesome.